How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about why is your ear making a bubbling sound. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. If your ear is making a bubbling sound, that normally means you have an ear infection. Mucus can become infected with bacteria. Then what happens is you get the bubbling sound. So again, normally it's probably an ear infection. Go to the pharmacy, get some ear drops. Talk to the pharmacist, tell them you have a bubbling sound in your ear, and they will point you to what type of eardrops to get. There are different types of eardrops. there are there are some for just basic ear infection. I would just talk to the pharmacist and then he will tell you which type of eardrop to get. But again, like 90% of the time, you probably have an ear infection. That is why it is making that bubbling sound, because of the mucus becoming infected, you guys. So end of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.